If you're searching for productivity apps that are easy to use and packed with helpful features, you're in the right place. Here are the top 3 best productivity apps to stay organized in 2026. At number 3, TickTick. And trust me, this app is way more than just another to-do list. It has a 4.6 star rating, over 154,000 reviews, and more than 10 million people have already downloaded it. What makes it so good? Everything you need is in one place. You can create tasks, organize your schedule with a built-in calendar, set smart reminders, and even track habits like exercising, reading, or drinking more water. One feature I really like is the Pomodoro focus timer. It helps you stay locked in while you're working or studying instead of getting distracted every few minutes. Need to add a task quickly? Just type it or even say it with your voice. And TickTick can automatically recognize dates and set reminders for you. It also syncs across your phone, laptop, tablet, and smartwatch, so your to-do list is always with you no matter where you are. If you've been trying to get more organized without using 5 different apps, TickTick makes it surprisingly simple. Definitely deserves the number 3 spot. Stay tuned because the next app on this list might be even better. The number 2, we've got Todoist, and it's honestly one of the easiest productivity apps to get into. It has a 4.7 star rating, over 280,000 reviews, and more than 10 million downloads. So you're definitely not the only one using it. What makes Todoist stand out is how natural everything feels. You can type something simple like, finish my report Friday at 4 p.m., and it automatically creates the task with the right date and reminder. No digging through confusing menus. Whether you're organizing work, planning a vacation, keeping up with classes, or just trying to remember everyday errands, everything stays clean and easy to find. I also love that you can switch between a list, a board, or a calendar view depending on how your brain works. And if you're trying to build better habits, recurring tasks make it super easy to stay consistent. Working with other people? Share projects, assign tasks, and keep all your updates in one place instead of bouncing between different apps. So if you're tired of feeling overwhelmed and want a planner that actually helps you stay on track, Todoist is absolutely worth trying. Taking the number 1 spot is Notion, and honestly, it's easy to see why. With a 4.6 star rating, over 365,000 reviews, and more than 10 million downloads, it's become a favorite for students, creators, and professionals alike. The best part? Everything lives in one place. Your notes, daily tasks, project plans, meeting notes, and even big goals can all stay organized without bouncing between different apps. Then there's Notion AI, which feels like having a built-in assistant. It can help you brainstorm ideas, summarize long notes, organize information, and even answer questions based on your own workspace. It's a real time saver when your day gets busy. If you're someone who loves keeping things neat, you'll probably enjoy the huge library of templates. Whether you're planning your week, tracking habits, managing schoolwork, or running a business project, you can customize Notion to fit the way you work. And because it syncs across your phone, laptop, and desktop, you can start something anywhere and finish it later without missing a beat. If staying organized has always been a struggle, Notion might be the only productivity app you actually need. Thanks for watching. Comment your favorite app and subscribe for more productivity tips, app reviews, and useful tech recommendations every day.